All right, guys, I got another update that some of you might be interested in, and it has to do with the wager credits feature. So, as of today and going forward, as long as the system continues to allocate resources to this, there will now be Bitcoin payouts that are possible through the wager credits. So, as we understand, we can wager a certain amount of credits and get a 1 to 5 chance of winning 4 times that amount. With this, that same thing applies, but you'll get twice the amount, but it gets paid out in Bitcoin, and the chances are no longer 1 in 5, but 1 in 100. So I already posted the information in the forum here, so I'll just go over this documentation real quick, just to make you guys aware, and then show you some things in the wallet on what you can look for to help familiarize yourself with the updates that have been made. All right, so I just say I dropped an update to the wager credits feature. As of today, each entry will automatically be entered to win a BTC or Bitcoin raffle. How much is the prize? The Bitcoin payout will always be twice the amount of wager credits. Currently, each entry is 0.000015 credits, and we'll say that's about $1. So the Bitcoin payout will be twice that, which is $2. How often will the drawing occur? A drawing will occur every 20 rounds. Every 20th round, a random winner will be selected and receive an immediate BTC payout. Per the release of this update, which is today, the first drawing was triggered for round 8540, and I'm going to show you guys that in a minute, meaning that all entries for rounds 8521 through 8540 were entered for the drawing. The next drawing will occur for round 8560 and every 20th round beyond that, subject to a designated allocation of vault resources. Again, this is coming out of the vault and the Bitcoin that's in the vault, and it's just a way to help incentivize all of us to participate in this feature to a greater degree. What are the odds? There's a 1 in 100 chance to win the Bitcoin payout for each entry. Multiple entries from a wallet are possible since the raffle spans across 20 rounds. Technically, a single wallet can play once for every round, offering a 20 in 100 chance or a 1 in 5 chance of winning that BTC payout. The odds for winning a single round remain 1 to 5, as it has always been, and that's in credits, right? Can a single wallet win both a round and the BTC wallet? Yes, they can. Why this update has been done? Well, number one, the vault has sufficient Bitcoin resources to allocate to this feature, which is essentially going to help out those of us that participate in it. Number two, this update incentivizes more participation in the wallet in the wager credits feature by offering winners twice the amount payout in Bitcoin from a single wager in credits. Number three, more participation in the wager credits feature lowers the system's credit obligations, which results in greater long-term sustainability and potentially faster credit to BTC conversions, which is beneficial for us all, right? This remains a low-risk play for participants, and increased engagement supports the system to a greater degree. So keep in mind, guys, it is low risk. I mean, the maximum that you can play is 0.00015 credits, right? And you're doing credits in that Bitcoin. Traditionally, credits convert into Bitcoin at a 1-to-1 ratio. This means that the vault is paying 1 Bitcoin to lower the system's credit obligations by 1 credit. In contrast, the use of this feature can essentially pay 0.1 Bitcoin to lower the system's credit obligations by that full 1 credit, decreasing obligations by 10 times the amount of BTC paid out from the BTC raffle, which comes out of the vault, right? So every single Satoshi that's paid from the vault for the BTC raffle is essentially lowering the obligations by 10. Okay, so that's why I wanted to go ahead and implement this, and because it's going to be beneficial for everyone, right? Still remember, this is not an investment strategy. So for those of you guys that have wallets and you like, hey, I strictly am using this wallet to grow my Bitcoin, grow my Bitcoin, grow my Bitcoin, you may or may not want to play. You know, I have wallets that I use specifically for growing my Bitcoin, and I don't play with those wallets. But then again, I do have other wallets that I've gifted people Bitcoin with, that I, play around with different things. And for those wallets, I will be using this. It's just a way to play around with some credits while supporting the ecosystem at the same time. If you enjoy gambling or taking chances to increase your credit or Bitcoin positions, feel free to participate. Also remember, we are not wagering Bitcoin per se, but credits, which we are all able to acquire for free through numerous features of the wallet. All right, guys, so that's the deal with this update. And let me jump on over to my gifting wallet. You guys have traditionally known me to use this wallet to gift Bitcoin to other people and do other things, pay barbers or whatever the case is. I'm getting done. And I have played wagered credits quite a bit. But let's start with the dashboard, because there's some new fields that have been added here. So this did not exist before. BTC from wagered credits. So now that when you play, you stand the potential of winning Bitcoin, we needed a slot here under the Bitcoin ledger to show us a total of how much Bitcoin that is. Likewise, this used to be credits won. I've changed that to credits from wagered credits. So you got the wagered credits here. Each time you play is going to end up here. Show you the total amount you've played. Credits that you've won from that are going to be here. And the Bitcoin you've won from that is going to be here. I kind of color coded the background for these three to be similar because they all have to do with wagering credits, just like I did the color coding for the delayed credits here, where each one of these four have that dark black background. Okay, and as always, guys, if you copy all of these, throw them in an Excel spreadsheet, add those together, you'll always get that balance there. Same with your credits here. Copy all of those, sum them up, and you'll have that balance there. And likewise, you can always export and get the full details on everything, which will now also include any Bitcoin you've earned from the wagering of credits. Okay, so now let's jump over to the wager credits page, which has been updated as well. And you'll notice here that there are some new fields here. So we have here is now showing you when you wager, this is what you can win. It used to just be wager credits, how much you would pay per round, how much you'd win per round, and now it includes a BTC raffle every 20 rounds. And that this is always going to be twice the amount that you put in. So if we ever venture to increase this amount here, these amounts will increase as well. This by 4, this by 2. Okay. And also it now shows you the amount of Bitcoin won. So if I ever play and win, that will show up here, right? And as I mentioned here, when I released this update, it started at around 85.40, which I'm going to demonstrate here. So you guys that play wager credits and look at it, all of this is familiar except for the BTC winner. This is a new column that was added that will designate who or what wallet actually wins that raffle and receives that BTC reward. Okay, so it's waiting for the next raffle to go because this triggers every 20 rounds. So like I say, the first one was this 85.40, the next one will be 85.60, then 85.80, so on and so forth. So when we see that this one here triggered, it identified a winner out of the last 20 rounds that were played. And if you notice also that there's a boundary here that kind of separates each 20 rounds. Okay, so once this round right here was played, it designated a winner there. And if you look through the past 20, from this one, from 85.21 up to 85.40, we'll see that this was the winner of the raffle. And you'll notice that highlighted here. So this 73.412 could have played multiple times, right? And this is just a quick glimpse of how many times that particular wallet played during this 20 round raffle, right? And you can, of course, win twice. So if that was the case, that'll still be highlighted as yellow, and of course showing you the winner of the round there, and still have that highlight rounded to let you know, hey, you did play this round. And this particular wallet only played one round and won that Bitcoin payout there. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. If you got any questions, you can either leave them in the comments of this video or head out to the forum, and you guys can post or reply there. All right, guys, and there's one more thing I'd like to mention, right? It's features like this that actually help the sustainability of the ecosystem, because it really costs nothing for the system to lower its obligations. Now it's only a tenth or whatever the case is. Prior to that, it was nothing, but paying a tenth is sufficient to get more interest involved in this particular feature, right? But understand, your participation in the ecosystem is key, right, to the growth and the benefit of all of us, right? So one of the main things I kind of share with you is, when you send Bitcoin to somebody else, instead of just sending it straight to their wallet, tell them, hey, get a BTC or a high yield BTC or drip to BTC or a sovereign Bitcoin wallet, right? Have them register. It's free to register, takes them no time. And then you can send them a payment directly to their wallet, right? It happens within a few seconds. You don't have to incur the network fees or anything like that. So you, as the sender, are benefiting in that you're not going to pay over £1 to send that Bitcoin to them. They'll receive that Bitcoin faster. They'll become acclimated with the system, learn its features, and so on and so forth. And if they want to send that Bitcoin somewhere else, they can. But nevertheless, you are benefiting, especially in times, guys, where network fees for sending Bitcoin are extremely high, because they can get high when there's congestion, right? And this essentially removes that. And also know that when you're sending Bitcoin like that, the system is getting straight profits. That's going straight into the vault and is being used for greater sustainability. So as this thing continues to get used, more transactions going back and forth within the ecosystem, you know, people are getting their Bitcoin, they're getting it faster, and it's feeding the system straight revenue with no obligations whatsoever. All right, guys, so these are the things that all of us want to do. Like, if I give somebody some Bitcoin, I'm not just going to send it to them for the sake of sending it to them and be like, oh, you can take this and run off. I'm going to be like, get a wallet, go to btcwallet.app, register for a wallet, and then I'll send you some Bitcoin, and you can do with it whatever you want to at that point, right? All right, peeps, I think that's all I got for you in this video. Just putting all these things in place, guys, because it really doesn't get any better than this, guys, in the world of crypto. All right, peeps, that's all I got for you, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.